Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain a new concept that is traditional web application framework. So what is the use of traditional web application framework? So yeah, let's start. A traditional web application framework is a way to build the websites. So where the server does most of the work. The server handles user requests, business logic, database, operations generating the full HTML, then it sends the complete page to the front end. Browser. So it's a traditional web applications. Most of the work will done by this server side only. Just the browser sends the request. The server will generate the HTML code. Load that HTML code and send that HTML code to the browser. Then browser will re- load that HTML code and it will show the UI to the user. So that is the traditional web application framework work. So in simple words, we can say like browser just ask the server build full page. Browser reload the and show it. So that is the concept of the traditional web application framework. So how traditional web application work? I will explain the step-by-step process. So let's see that. Yeah. So there is a one user. There is a one user is there. There is one user. Sorry. Yeah. User. So what he will do? Just he open the one application here. This is one web application. Yeah. So browse. What we will do? Just in this web application, he click on one button here. In this application, he clicked on one button. Okay. When he click on this button in this application, the browser send a request to the server. So there is a server, this server. When the user, sorry, server, when the user click on this button in this application, what it will do, the browser will send this browser. This is one browser. Yeah. So when user click on this button, the application open in this browser. When the button is clicked in this application by this user, so the browser will send the request to the server. Okay. So the server, what it will do, process the request. Okay. It will process the request, get the data from the database. So there is a database. Let's take, let's consider as a database this one. Yeah. So it will take the data from the database. Sorry, my bad. Not this. Will take the data from the database. Okay. Create a full HTML page. In this, it will create a full HTML page here. Here, it will create a full HTML page. And this HTML page, the server will send to the this browser. Okay. By the response. Okay. This one is request. Yeah. Browser will receive the this HTML page from this response and it will reload it It will reload this HTML page and it will show the application. So, I mean UI. Browser reload the whole page to show the result. Okay. For example, let's take here. We have one application here. Okay. In this, let's consider as a login page. In this login page, this is login button is there. So when user click this login button, the entire page will reload. Okay, it will send that request to the browser and it will take the server. What it will do, it will generate the dashboard data. Suppose after login, we have to show the one dashboard here. Okay, what it will do, the server reload this complete dashboard page. Okay, the server reload this complete dashboard page and it will show. I mean, it will send to the browser and the browser will reload that complete dashboard code and it will show to the user. Okay. So the most traditional frameworks use MVC. Okay. Model. MVC is nothing but a model, view, controller. These three concepts involved in this MVC in traditional web frameworks. So M means model. It is a database and also data logic and view. View is nothing but a HTML page UI. Okay, and controller. Another one is controller. Handle request and connect model plus views. Okay, the traditional web frameworks. There is some different technologies there. Those are Django, Spring MVC, ASP.NET MVC, Ruby on Rails, Rala, like that. There are some traditional frameworks is there. So the futures of traditional web applications are futures. For this server side renderings. Server side rendering means the complete page. Server side rendering means SSR. Server side renderings. Server side rendering. Server side rendering. S- Server side rendering means the server generate this HTML page and load this HTML page and send to the browser. That is the concept of server side rendering. Okay. The server side rendering, full page reload on every action. HTML generated on server side. Okay. Not browser side. It will generate from server side itself only. Okay. Less JavaScript needed for this and simple structure. This is a simple structure is there. So what are the advantages of this server-side renderings and the traditional web application framework? So easy to build and maintain. Okay, easy to build and maintain. No need to write the complete JavaScript here. Just we can the server will handle complete structure of HTML and the page reloadings and good for SEO, search engine optimizations, battery security, logic on server. Sorry, better security, better, better security. Uh, Complete logic will reload on the server side itself only. Yeah, work well for banking systems. So in the banking system, they will use this server side renderings and traditional web frameworks. admin panels, enterprise applications. Okay, the disadvantages. So we have some advantages here and also some disadvantages also is there. So full page reload means the complete page reload on the server side. So it will little bit slower and slower user experience, less interactive compared to modern modern apps. Higher server load, not ideal for real time applications. Okay, this is not ideal for real time applications. Yeah, this is the concept of traditional web application framework, guys. So if you understood this concept, please like and share, comment it below, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, guys.